Welcome to PFS. In this video, we will learn about duration. Duration is often used as a measure of risk in bond investment. So, in terms of when we invest in fixed income securities, the duration is a very helpful measure to measure the market risk. So, it comes in many forms like Macaulay duration. You can see the Macaulay duration, modified duration, and dollar duration or effective duration. So duration is an important measure for investors to consider. So let's see the Macaulay duration. The Macaulay duration refers to the weighted average time before the repayment or the time when the cash is received. For example, if you look at this formula, the formula refers to as the present value of the cash flow multiplied by T divided by the market price of the bond. So the weight is taken as the present value of the bond divided by the market price of the bond, and time is multiplied by that. And look at this, and then you sum up the period. So you can create Macaulay duration using also Microsoft Excel. If you look at this Excel version, so you will see here in the column 5 you can see the present value of the cash flow in the column 5. So the present value of the cash flow in the column 5, and in the column 6, if you look at the column 6, the column 6 is the present value of the cash flow divided by the total cash flow. The total cash flow, if you look at the 104.6 is, which is the price of the bond. So if you multiply the column 5 and column 6, then you will get the column 7, and if you sum up the whole column, you will see the 4.24 is the Macaulay duration. On the other hand, you can see that the modified duration is the Macaulay duration divided by 1 plus yield divided by k. K is used as the frequency of the coupon. If there is annual coupon, then k is 1. If there is semi-annual coupon, then k is 2. So in terms of modified duration measures the approximate percentage change in price for one unit change in yield. For example, if the interest rate change is by 100 basis point, then how much the bond price will change in terms of percentage price change. Then you can see that the interest rate change is the absolute change, and on the other hand the bond price change is relative measures. So the modified duration tells you how much the bond's price will uh, change, approximately how much will be the percentage price change due to 100 basis point change in yield. So if you look at the Excel file again, you will see that the modified duration is 4.09, whereas the Macaulay duration is 4.24. And here, if you look at the relationship of the price and yield, you will be able to see that as the uh, interest rate increases, the bond price decreases. So there's a negative relationship between the bond price and interest rate, but the relationship is not linear. Rather, the relationship is convex, which means that for a same amount of interest rate change, if the interest rate goes down, the percentage price change will be higher than if the interest rate rises by the same amount. So the percentage price change will be lower compared to when the interest rate going down. So another measure of duration is the effective duration, but the effective duration is sometimes called as option adjusted duration. This is used when in your portfolio there are some other complex bonds like bonds with embedded options like call options or put options. So effective duration requires the use of complex model for pricing bonds and adjust the price of the bond to reflect the changes in the value of the bonds embedded options. So effective duration incorporates a bond's yield, bond's coupon, final maturity, and call features. All these combine into one number that indicates the price sensitivity of a bond or portfolio or bond portfolio to changes in the interest rate. So that's all about today. If you like the video, please like our page, and if you want to take participate in our CFA or FRM program or any of our spreadsheet courses like financial modeling or mastering Excel skill, please send your comments or opinion in the or any queries in the page by inboxing to us. Thank you.